Hello, welcome to HumanInk. Now we're going to explain how to install a plugin. The first thing to do is go to our website and select from the options which plugin we want to buy. So we select it, go to our store, we can buy it, enter our credit card information, and then we buy it. Then we download it. Download. Well, it appears right here. In the case of the certificate, it's very important to copy this key, which the plugin will ask for later, and save it in a text file, in a notepad, wherever you can. And once it's stored on your hard drive, as you know, it says on our website, these plugins work with Anthropic Claude Cowork, which requires the Anthropic Claude desktop app and the Pro Plan Minimum. Let's see how to get this. We go to the Claude website, download Claude, choose our operating system, mobile or desktop, and we download it. Then we also select which option it gives us here, Cowork, access to Cowork, whether it's the Pro Plan or the Max Plan. Once we have this, what we're going to do is head over to the Claude app and let's just take a moment to see exactly how we can install our plugin. Here we have Cowork. We go to Customize. We go down here to Browse Plugins. We go to Personal, Upload Plugin, Browse Files. Here we have a certificate, the one we just downloaded. We click Upload. We get the message here, plugin installed and ready to use. We get another message saying there's an MCP server. This is correct. Continue. Well, and now we have it installed. Here we see it. HumanInk certificate, version. Fine. Once that's done, let's see. Let's check that it's working. Well, how do we check it? We check it with the help command. Let's look for our plugin, maybe HumanInk help. And here we get all the help options. The installation was successful. Now all that's left is to start writing and working with our virtual collaborators.